Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of survival. How to brave the wild with just your wits and a trusty blade. Now picture this. You're stranded, miles from civilization, with nothing but the clothes on your back and a single knife. It sounds daunting, I know, but believe me, staying alive in the wilderness is all about resourcefulness, resilience, and a good dose of courage. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some hard-earned wisdom, honed from years of experience to help you conquer the unknown and emerge a true survivor. So, strap in, stay focused, and let's embark on this exhilarating journey together. Alright, first things first. Panic is your worst enemy out here. It clouds your judgment, drains your energy, and can lead to rash decisions that could put you in more danger. So, take a deep breath, steady yourself, and remember, you've got this. The wilderness can be a harsh and unforgiving teacher, but it also rewards those who respect its power and learn to adapt. Now's the time to tap into that primal instinct, that inner strength we all possess. Remember, survival is not about brute force, it's about mental fortitude. Stay calm, assess your surroundings, and let's get to work. Exposure to the elements can be brutal, so finding shelter is absolutely critical. Look around for natural formations. A sturdy overhang, a dense thicket of trees, even a fallen log can provide some protection from the wind and rain. Remember, the key is to stay dry and conserve energy. If you can find a cave, that's ideal, but don't be afraid to get creative. Use your knife to cut branches and foliage to build a makeshift lean-to. A basic shelter can mean the difference between a tough night and a life-threatening situation. Fire is your best friend in a survival situation. It provides warmth, cooks your food, boils your water, making it safe to drink, and keeps those nocturnal critters at bay. Plus, that flickering light can be a real morale booster when you're feeling alone in the dark. Now, starting a fire without matches can be tricky but not impossible. The bow drill method is a classic, and with practice you can master it. Remember, tinder is key. Dry grass, birch bark, or bird nests all work well. Once you've got that ember glowing, gently coax it into a flame and you've got yourself a lifeline. You can survive for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Finding a clean, reliable water source should be one of your top priorities. Look for flowing water like streams or rivers, as these are generally safer than stagnant sources. If you're near a mountain range, look for signs of springs or waterfalls. Even collecting morning dew on leaves can provide precious hydration. Remember, if you're unsure about the water quality, always boil it for at least 1 minute to kill off any harmful bacteria or parasites. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk sustenance. Your knife will be your most valuable tool when it comes to finding food in the wilderness. Look for edible plants, berries, nuts, roots, but be absolutely sure you can properly identify them. Some plants can be toxic. Trapping or fishing can be more reliable ways to get protein. Fashion a simple snare trap from vines or sturdy branches to catch small game. Remember, every calorie counts when you're relying on your own skills to survive. Even when faced with the toughest challenges, never give up hope. If you're in a remote area, signaling for help could be your ticket to rescue. Build a large signal fire. The bigger and smokier, the better. Use a mirror or any reflective surface to flash sunlight towards the sky. If you have a brightly colored piece of clothing, hang it up high as a visual signal. Rescue teams are constantly searching for lost individuals, and these signals can dramatically increase your chances of being found. Remember, staying positive and hopeful is just as important as any survival skill. Surviving in the wild with just a knife is a testament to the incredible resilience of the human spirit. It's about pushing your limits, trusting your instincts, and never giving up. Remember, the wilderness is a classroom, and every challenge you overcome makes you stronger, wiser, and more adaptable. So, embrace the unknown, stay prepared, and who knows, maybe one day, these skills will help you conquer the wild side of life. Thanks for watching.